Hello dear students, today we are going to start science chapter number 7, safety and first aid. Student, this is our last chapter of science, safety and first aid. Okay, so accident can happen anytime or anywhere. For example, you may trip over your toys and fall down. So student, accidents can happen anywhere. Accidents can happen in the school also, at our home also, or on the road also. So for example, you may trip over your toys and fall down. Sometimes what will happen when you are playing with your toy, that time you trip over from your toys and you fall down. Or you may tumble down the steps of a staircase. Okay. On roads, two vehicles may collide. Okay. So this way accident can be happen. So students, some basic emergency care can be given to an accident victim before professional medical help reaches him or her. So student, when accident happened on the road or in the home or in the school, that time what the patient that given an emergency care, okay, that or that victim or that patient will be given emergency केयर बिफोर द मेडिकल हेल्प रिचेस. मतलब मेडिकल हेल्प डॉक्टर के जाने मीन्स जब हमारा एक्सीडेंट घर में होता है या स्कूल में होता है, दैट टाइम डॉक्टर के पास जाने से पहले हमें स्कूल में ही मेडिकल इमरजेंसी देते हैं. ओके, सो सिंपल मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट गिवन इमीडिएटली टू एन इंजर्ड पर्सन बिफोर अ डॉक्टर कम्स और बिफोर द पर्सन कैन बी taken to a hospital is called first aid. So student, what is mean by first aid? So the simple treatment that immediately given to that patient or given to that injured person before the doctor comes. That is called first aid. Means when you will get hurt while playing in the school. Okay, that time your teacher not taking you directly to the doctor. Then what teachers are doing? Teachers are only giving some simple medical treatment in the school only. Okay, and then after teacher will take to you at the hospital. So that simple treatment that given to you in the school, that is called first aid. Correct? कभी कभी हमारे घर में भी हमें लगता है तो डायरेक्टली हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें डॉक्टर के पास नहीं ले जाते. वो घर में कुछ तो दवाई लगाते हैं, कुछ तो मेडिसिन लगाते हैं और बाद में हमें वो डॉक्टर के पास ले जाते हैं. सो दैट सिंपल मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट गिवन इमीडिएटली टू एन इंजर्ड पर्सन बिफोर अ डॉक्टर कम्स or before the person can be taken to a hospital is called a first aid. So student, let us learn more about accidents and first aid so that we will be better prepared in case of emergency. So in this chapter, we are going to study about the first aid that will given to the patient before a doctor comes, and that will be better prepared in case of emergency. Okay. So first is a fire accident. So fires can be destructive. Fire accidents can occur both inside and outside a house. Some of the important causes of fire accidents are as follow. First is the electrical short circuit and gas cylinder leakage. So because of electrical short circuit, they're also having accident or fire accident will be happen. Or because of gas cylinder leakage, fire accident will be happen. Third is a careless bursting of crackers. Means in the Diwali you are lighting the crackers. At that time also careless bursting of cracker is also one type of a fire accident. Next is a hot oil left on the stove can catch fire. And a child playing with a matchbox might light a matchsticks unknowingly. Okay. So student, these are the causes of fire accident. So first is a firefighting. When there is a fire in a building, see, means when firefighting or fire accident is there in any building or in area, then what precaution you have to take, that is given in this point. So when there is a fire in a building, get out of the building immediately. See, when there is a fire in your building, that time what you have to do? You have to get out from the building immediately. An adult should use a fire extinguisher or a sand to put out small fires. In case of a major fire, the nearest fire station should be contacted immediately. See, if then what you have to do, if there is having a fire in your building, that time what you have to do? You have to put a sand on that fire. Okay, or if they're having a major fire, then you have to contact to your fire station office immediately. If there is a fire, an adult should turn off the cooking gas. Okay, if there is a fire, then what you have to do? You have to, or your parents, they have to, or they should turn off the cooking gas. Open all doors and windows immediately. Do not turn electrical connection on or off. If fire is there, then what you have to do? You have to switch off the buttons of electrical connection. Means switch off the button of fridge, then TV, then your music system. You have to switch off the buttons of all electrical connection. In case of a gas leak, call the fire department or a gas agency for help. If in your house there having a leakage of a cylinder gas or cooking gas, then what you have to do? You have to call the gas agency for help, or you have to call the fire department for the help. If a person's clothes catch fire, a thick blanket should be wrapped around the victim and the victim should be rolled on the ground. If any person's clothes catch the fire, then what you have to do? You have to wrap that person with a thick blanket, and that person will roll on the ground. This will put out the fire by cutting off oxygen supply. If the victim runs, the fire may spread more quickly, and the person whose clothes catch fire, that person don't run on the ground. He have to roll on the ground. If he runs, then fire may spread more quickly. In case of fire due to electrical short circuit, the mains must be switched off. Never use water to put out such fires. Okay, if electrical short circuit is in your home, then what you have to do? You have to switch off all the main buttons. Okay, main buttons, and never use water to put out on the electrical fire. In a fire is due to petrol or kerosene, use sand to put out such fires. If fire is due to petrol or kerosene, then take a sand and put that sand on the fire, and put the sand on that fire. Never throw water in such cases. The fire may spread. If you throw the water, if fire is due to petrol or kerosene, and if you throw the water on that fire, then fire may be spread everywhere. Okay, so student, when fire accident is there, or when you see any fire in any building or at your house, then these precautions you have to take. See, turn off the cylinder. See, when cylinder or a cooking cylinder is leakage, or fire is because of the leakage of the cylinder, then what you have to do? You then directly turn off the cylinder button. Then okay, so these precautions while using cooking gas. Next is the burns. Burns can be caused by the following. Fire accident may cause burns. Okay, then steam, boiling water, hot oil, or chemicals. Burns need immediate attention and first aid. When your hand or your legs burns because of these causes, then you have to take immediate first aid on the burns. Then turn the page. There are different kinds of burns: major, severe, third degree, and the chemical burns. The causes and treatment of different types of burns are given below. So, types of burn: minor burns. Causes: skin coming in contact with hot vessels, drops of hot oil falling on the skin. These are the minor burns. Okay. Treatment: hold the burn part under the running water. If your hands or your finger is burnt because of the hot oil, then what you have to do? You have to hold your hand or finger under the running water. Wrap the burnt part in the towel or handkerchief soaked in ice cold water. Third is apply antiseptic cream after the burning sensation subsides. Then severe burns: boiling water spilling on a person or clothes of a person catching fire. Then which treatment is there? See, apply antiseptic cream on the affected area. Wrap the affected area in sterilized gauze. Call an adult and consult a doctor. And third type of burn is third degree burns. Severe heat penetrating the skin and damaging tissues. Then immediately hospitalization. This is a treatment of the third degree burn. Immediate hospitalization. And last is a chemical burns. Acid spilling on person's body. Then treatment is wash off the acid immediately with plenty of water. Second is keep the burn covered with gauze pad to protect from dust and consult a doctor immediately. But student, if any type of burn is there, then you have to consult a doctor for your better treatment. Okay, so see, treatment for minor burns. See, hold your hand under the running water or put your hand in the ice cold water and wrap the handkerchief or towel to your burnt part and applying antiseptic cream on a burnt skin. Okay, so see, choose the correct answer. Burns are mainly caused by fire. Oil fires must be put out using sand. Minor burns affect the skin. Minor burns affect the outer layer of the skin. Chemical burns are caused when falls on the skin. Acid falls on the skin. Okay. So student, write this glossary in your notebook and read the topic again and complete your homework. And next point, that is fracture, that we will see in our next video. Thank you students.